In this lesson, we want to talk about the important tool are here called Boolean tools. It's for dividing, adding objects together. For example, we have two objects here, or for example, a heart that is want to, for example, delete it from another object. First tools is here. If you select, you have to select both objects that you want, and then all of the tools will be appear here enabled. It's not important which objects is selecting first. This tool is adding to them together. Nice. In this case, if you select first, then this object, it always turn the color of the object that is below you when you change the hierarchy of that and then add it turns to the blue. Okay, so when you have the two objects, you can add them together. It's mix the two objects together and give you one solid object that it select its color from the object that is below the two objects, so it turns to blue. And as you can see, if you come back and here, as you can see, it's a simple color close object. Control Z. Another tool is the subtract. It's very simple. It's subtract object that is above, and it's maintain the object that is below. So the selection hierarchy is not important, just subtract. It subtract this circle because it's above that square. Or you vice versa, you want to make it above, you can use this object, these tools here, move forward one, it's going above, or click and drag and simple click and drag and make it above ellipse. And now you can see this shape, this square shape is going to be cut from this. Select both of them and boom. So in a divide, which object is above which object is important. Intersect, it's bring intersect of them. For example, if you want, you can, for example, select both of them and it's subtract. It's delete the heart from the rectangle by subtract. Simple. And then we have one object. If you go to node tool, you can change this form. Control Z. And intersect, it gives the intersect of two objects. Select both of them and then intersect. It gives you one object because it's intersection between this and this object is this part. But this object is divide. It's divide the intersection. It gives you three objects. 1, 2, 3. It's divide. Okay, as you can see, these are not these are when you use these tools, as you can see, we don't have main objects. They are converting to other object. But if you want to create the tools that if you want, you can back and change them. You have to holding Alt when you want to click it. For example, I want to subtract this from this. If you holding Alt and then click, look at here. If you don't holding Alt, as you can see, it changed to one object and you cannot come back and change it. But if you're holding Alt and then click on a subtract, now you can see we have a compound folder that you can open it. As you can see, you can, for example, we have our two objects here. You can change ellipse and move it and change it. And as you can see, we can come back and change this subtract. We have our object. Nice. I prefer using that. As you can see, it updates automatically. And if you're satisfied with that, you can completely come here and convert to the curse. And as you can see, it's converted to the one object. So Holding Alt, if you're holding Alt and clicking these objects, you can simply come back and edit your objects. Very simple. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.